Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about limits of thought. This session will explore the intriguing idea that our thinking processes have inherent limitations and that sometimes more thinking may not lead to clearer answers. You can't solve thoughts with more thoughts. The mind's relentless chatter can't be quieted by adding more layers of mental noise. Trying to think your way out of thoughts is like pouring gasoline on a fire, hoping to extinguish the flames. The more you think, the more thoughts multiply, creating an endless labyrinth of mental complexity. True freedom lies not in outsmarting your thoughts, but in observing them with gentle curiosity. By stepping back and witnessing your thoughts rather than becoming entangled in them, you create space for clarity to emerge. In this stillness, the cacophony of thoughts slowly dissipates, revealing the peace and wisdom that lies beneath. It's a paradoxical truth. The less you think, the more you understand. The more you let go, the more you find. As you cultivate this inner awareness, you begin to recognize the fleeting nature of thoughts. They arise, linger, and dissipate like clouds in the sky. You realize that thoughts are not the truth but merely a reflection of your experiences, biases, and conditioning. By observing thoughts without judgment, you break free from their grasp. The constant mental commentary, the self criticism, and the anxiety begin to fade, replaced by an unshakable sense of calm. In this space, creativity flourishes, intuition deepens, and wisdom unfolds. You tap into the wisdom of your heart, where love, compassion, and understanding reside. The world around you transforms as you see the beauty in every moment, the kindness in every face, and the interconnectedness of all things. The journey within is not about achieving a specific state or suppressing thoughts entirely. It's about embracing the dynamic dance between mind and heart. By acknowledging the impermanence of thoughts and the timelessness of your essence, you find peace in the midst of chaos. That's it. See you next time. Peace and love.